Hey there, if you're finding that your AirPods are automatically switching to your MacBook when you don't want that to happen, here's what you do. What we do is on the MacBook, go to the Apple logo, System Settings. Next, on the left-hand side, we go to Bluetooth. Here under My Devices, I have my AirPods. All I do is click on the I beside them. Come down this list until you get to Connect to this Mac. It has automatically currently. We want to switch this to when last connected to this Mac. Select that, click on Done, and that will stop the AirPods automatically switching across to the MacBook each time you jump on your MacBook. So I hope that's been useful. If it has, please give the video a thumbs up. Check out my channel. I have other tips and tricks for iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, and many other electronic devices used in and around the home. I also do reviews, so if you'd like to see any of those, just click on one of these links. Feel free to subscribe, and may I wish you a great day ahead.